A little delayed. We appreciate you hanging out with us today.
A little delayed.
Rob Barrett is my co-host.
Spam and Eggs is Cooking for Dad's host and blogger Rob Barrett.
Hi, Rob.
It's Rob Barrett. Remember that?
Shall answer that?
Cooking for Dad's host and blogger Rob Barrett is here with us. Hi, Rob.
Cue the music. Here he is. We welcome Cooking for Dad's host, Rob Barrett.
By the way, I love your hair. I just love the color. Yours as well.
Thank you.
We want to welcome back Cooking for Dad's host Rob Barrett.
Rob Barrett is a guy who believes men cannot live on beer alone.
If you're trying to lose weight, do you use Diet Coke? I'm kidding with you.
Okay.
Hello, Minnesota!
What up, Minnesota?
Gotta say,
Minnesota.
Hi, Minnesota.
so, but if you see it done, you go, oh, well, I can do that.
And it helps. It really does. That's how I'm a visual learner.
Hi, my name is Rob Barrett, and you're watching Cooking for Dads. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie treats. I have a unique way of spatchcocking your turkey.
I'm glad that you're here. And you know what? The only thing that we aren't totally happy with about the president being here is that he took up a little bit of our time today. But we're going to...
One day I got the tie on and everything.
Great.
I got dressed up for this.
Courtney Robertson is here, and we're going to talk to her all about her new book and what she's up to. And Rob, you have a lot of questions for her, right?
I have a few things I'd like some clarity on. Just some
we'll
points
ask
of
her.
clarity. It's time for the song. There's 1 box of pasta, 1 red pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and a jar of ragu.
It's a struggle for a lot of college kids that leave home. But a Twin Cities professor is hoping to change all that. Rob Barrett is a music production professor at North Central University in Minneapolis. This semester, he's also teaching a class on life.
Tonight we are making ice globes. We're gonna go ice globe a friend of ours. We've made all these little globes all over the place. Set them up in their yard, put in candles, light them up, and then we're gonna ring the doorbell and run away, and they're gonna come out. Their yard will be full of cool ice globes that are all glowing.
Yeah.
What do you think is the most significant of your work?
What is the most significant?
It's significant. There's successful works and then there's significant works. Which do you think is your most significant work?
Malcolm X.
Hi, my name is Rob Barrett, and I've been a parent for 21 years.
And we're his daughters.
Along the way, I've learned a few things. I did some things right and made a few mistakes.
A lot of mistakes.
Well, some.
A lot, trust me.
A few.
And you're leaving for Africa soon.
Monday.
Wow.
Monday, I know.
You're going to do some music there?
Yep, every once in a while, there's a people group that can't record their music because of either political or other reasons, and so I go over and help them to make a CD or to record their music. And so I've done this kind of once a year over the last couple of years. This is me in Pakistan recording some songs there. This is some people in Chad. My name is Rob Barrett. You're watching Cooking for Dads. Today we're going to make Yum Yum Chicken with beets, bears, and Battlestar Galactica.
I have the bun.
Okay, well, let's say this. How about 5 ingredients in 4 minutes?
All right, whatever. Consistency.
It's not super.
Yes. This
It got away from me today. I will admit, it got away from me. Totally awesome ice globe night. You've been iced. So I teach here at North Central University. I'm a copper sculptor. I coach volleyball. I'm a music producer. And the craziest thing that's ever happened to me was having teenage daughters.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add our eggs.
Yeah. Wait, what?
And a little fresh ground pepper.
We get it.
I think
Green eggs and spam.
Well, you gotta do green eggs and spam. You can't do just eggs and spam. Well, I sell my soul to have this silence broken. Oh, I thought she knew. I thought she knew.
This radio collar is completely unobtrusive and will hardly be even noticed by the cooking dad. I will now apply a serum which will wake them up. Yes, crackety, it's working!
My name is Rob Barrett. You're watching Cooking for Dads. Cook well. It's worth it.
Join us next week as we hunt down the honest politician.
So that's how you make an all-purpose yeasty dough that's good for almost everything. My name is Rob Barrett. You're watching Cooking for Dads. Cook well. It's worth it. Cook well. It's worth it.
Cook well, it's worth it.